Guys, it's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video I'm gonna learn how to translate documents using Google Docs online version into a simple, fast, effective, and totally free method. So imagine the following scenario. You did receive some books, some documents, some content that is in a foreign language. For example, this document right here is in Brazilian Portuguese, and I would like to have this in English. How to do this into Google Docs? All we have to do after receiving the document, it's first, take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, review the upper right corner of your screen, the upper left corner of your screen. We have the Google Docs icon, File, Edit, View, Insert, Format, Tools, Extensions, and Help. Move to Tools. Now, review one by one. We have word count, signature, line numbers, linked object, directly, translate document. Click on it. Now, translate copy of untitled document, choose language. I would like to have this in English. So, let's select English. We have tons of language to choose, okay? Just click on translate and Google gonna do the magic for you. A simple yet really well done translation of the document that you can fully edit using all the tools. Simple, easy, and very, very effective. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.